Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove your debit or credit cards or any payment method for that matter on Temu. So let's get right into it. And for this tutorial, I am using the official Temu support article on this method. If you wish to search it for yourself, it is on temu.com. And it is very well made and it is very simple. As you can see, there are only 2 images provided. It is that simple of a process and you can recreate it very easily. However, I will be going over on what you need to do. And yeah, I am using this article since I don't have access to Temu and I do not have an account or a payment method added. So that is pretty much it. Now, to start your removal process, all you need to do is log into your account first. And once you're there, just go to your account page. Either on the U icon or on your account icon in the top right if you're on the computer or on PC. And once you're there, you want to navigate to your payment methods. Once you're there, you want to find the payment method that you wish to remove, either a card, either debit or credit, or any other payment method, and click on it. Once you click on it on the phone, you will have the option to delete the card or edit it. Just press delete and it'll be removed. And on PC, it is pretty much the same method. Just click on it and click remove right next to the edit button, and any payment method that you wish to remove will be removed. Just refresh the page and you will no longer see it on your account. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.